All right, you guys, so the next up, we got oysters. We went to the store. This is the best we could find. It's not even English on this thing. So I don't even know how long it took to get to the store. You could only get one. I mean, we got 6 of them, and that was almost the max we could get. Now, at the crab place, you can buy 1 to 12 to 50, and even if you want to feed a big gathering, you can order 100. And look, they come in this fancy bag, and you know exactly where they're from. They're from Chesapeake Bay. They overnight them, so you know exactly where they're coming. Straight to your doorstep. And just look, these, I know where I would go if I'm choosing to have some oysters. Crab place, baby. Need the hot sauce.